welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Yes, we are back. Today we are rocking red. You know, Valentine's Day is here. So guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Midland, Uniquely Midland. In my channel I do home decor videos, perfume reviews, all things girly, all things beauty. I would love for you to stay and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you are returning, welcome back, guys. I miss you guys. And guys, do not forget to hit your notification bell so every time I upload you get a ding, okay? So guys, today's video is so special. Oh my god, yes, I am bringing you guys another perfume review, and this brand is new to me, so I don't know a lot about it, but I've been on it for a while. I've been reviewing, like watching videos on YouTube about it, and I saw it in person in the store, and it's so beautiful. Oh my god. So I got my first one today and I wanted to share with you guys. Granted, I haven't wear it to see how, you know, I only spray it and test it out, but I haven't really wear it to see how, you know, how long it lasts and all that good stuff. But I wanted to share with you guys how beautiful and gorgeous it is, and I'm just so excited. So let's get started, guys. Yes, so today, guys, I am bringing you guys a perfume review in the house of Sillage. Oh my gosh. So first of all, we're gonna go all about this company, because we know we're new to this, but the packaging, guys, the house of Sillage, guys, is a niche designer brand, and it is a American brand founded in 2011 by Nicole Mather. It's famous for its high quality scent, as well as its whimsical cupcake shape. So I will show you the bottle. They all have cupcake bottles. It's so freaking cute, okay? And with beautiful crystals, Swarovski crystals on top. It's gorgeous. And the House of Sillage offer timeless and elegant scent. And right now they have a total of 42 perfumes. That's a lot. Yeah, it started in first created in 2011, and their newest one was in 2020. So let's go over the packaging because I'm obsessed. So it comes in like this in a box, which I'm gonna keep. I don't usually keep box, but this is just so pretty, and it opens like this, right? Okay, but this part could go down also. So oh my god, how pretty. I mean, I'm a sucker for packaging, like, honestly. This is so, oh my god, this is velvety. This is very high quality, very, very high quality. It comes with the little cloth to wipe the top, and a little card here. What does the card say? Let me see. All right. Oops, this is a different language. Congratulations, you are now the owner of a signature edition perfume from the House of Sillage. And they tell you how to take care of it and everything. That's cute. So basically, guys, let me take out the perfume. We're gonna leave this over here. So here you go. Take a look at the bottle. So it's basically a cupcake shape, and then the top, it's like, this is beautiful. No lie, this is gorgeous. Like, this is the perfect Valentine's Day gift, okay? So the one I got is called Love is in the Air. Hello, Valentine, love is in the air. So this is so pretty, and I wonder, I think it have over 42 or 52 crystals, I can't remember, but it's all crystals all around here on top of it. And let me tell you guys, the top is heavy, okay? Heavy. I dropped it already. Like, the first time I was trying to open it, I kind of like, you know, swing it too hard and it dropped and my heart dropped. I thought it broke, okay? But it didn't break, thank God. But the top is very, very heavy, heavier than the bottle of perfume. To me, it's really, really heavy. So it's like good material. So inside the bottle, it said, inside the top, it say House of Sillage, Love is in the Air. And then this is the cupcake. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I can't. It's a freaking cupcake. I mean, this is so gorgeous. Okay, let's get into the notes and everything before we smell and, you know, all that good stuff. So basically, Love is in the Air was introduced in 2012. It's a floral fruity fragrance for women, and the top notes are plum, orange, green notes. Middle notes are rose, jasmine, cedar. Base notes are patchouli and white musk. So this is a very nice fruity floral fragrance. Before I get into that, they also sent me a sample of the new one they just, I guess, released. Is the Disney one, and I'm sad to say this, but I wish I got this one instead of this one. This one is really, really, really amazing. And guys, I blind bought this, literally, because I went to Saks. They carry these at Saks, but I didn't buy it at Saks. So I went to Saks to smell them. Oh my god, something is nice. I went to Saks to smell them, but they didn't have this one, the Love is in the Air. And this is the one I've been reviewing. This is the one I said I wanted. All the reviews sound like something I like. The notes sound like something I like. Patchouli, you know, patchouli is our thing here. And I'm like, I want this one, but they didn't have it in the store. And I was like, damn, I have to blind buy this. But what I did not know was there's no refund, there's no return, there's no exchange, okay? If I knew that, I would have never blind bought it, because I don't like being stuck like that, you know? Like, what if I don't like it, you know? But I didn't know that until, like, I was reading the paper. It come with the paper. I was reading it, and the bottom, due to COVID, there's no return, no exchange, yada yada yada. So I was like, if I was able to exchange this, I would literally go exchange it for the Disney one, because I like it a little better than this one, to be honest. Granted, this one is amazing too. The only thing I don't like about it, it's too, like, I like powdery, but to extent. Like, too powdery for me, it's like a little no-no. And this one get a little powdery, it's like too powdery for me. But we'll get into that. Let's go over the pricing. They do sell this one, not at Saks. I said Saks before, not Saks. Neiman Marcus. They do sell this brand in Neiman Marcus. I don't know if you're gonna find a lot of them, because I didn't see a lot. But the limited edition bottles are, oh my god, drop dead gorgeous. I was like, ooh, but they're pricey, very, very pricey, like in the 600. But you pretty much paying for the bottle, because the bottle's so cute. So this one ranged for $360, but I would not buy it at Neiman Marcus for $360. When they have it online, they usually have like a 50% off, and I purchased this for $180 on their website. So why would I go to Neiman Marcus and buy it for $360 when I could purchase it online for $180. Okay, but maybe if I bought it at Neiman Marcus, I could have exchanged it. So I did get this for $180 on their website, and shipping was not bad. It took like a week. It wasn't bad at all. And on their website it said it is, oh yes, I said 52, guys. It is 158 hand placed Swarovski crystal on top of this. Oh my gosh, 152, and I said 52. Ah, Lord. Okay. This is a 2.5 fluid ounce, so it's a good amount. So what do I get from this juice? Okay, this does smell very flirty, very lovey, and fruity, floral, powdery. Powdery is where we're not connecting. We didn't become one yet, you know. So first of all, I don't like these colors. Like the liquid color, I don't like. I don't know why, but I try to stay away from liquid colors like this. I don't know why. I always feel like I don't get along with them. But this one, ooh, it have a nice spray. Let me tell you, okay? The spray is amazing on this. So when I first spray it, I get a lot of the plum note, yes, the fruity note. I get a nice floral. It's the dry down that I don't like. And I like this perfume. I don't like the dry down. So we can't return, we can't exchange. Okay. So what we're gonna do, guys? I mean, I love this. I love the perfume. I love the bottle. I love the cupcake. It's my first cupcake. But the dry down is turning me off. And I love the opening. I love the middle note. The dry down is turning me off. And you know, I feel like the dry down is really what lasts on you. And I don't know. I'm giving you my honest thought here. It is beautiful, guys. It is beautiful. If you don't mind powdery notes, the powdery soapy note, you will love this. It's beautiful. You could wear this definitely spring summertime. Definitely spring summertime. Definitely a nice lunch day, dinner day. You could even wear it dinner, really, because the lasting power, the sillage is there. I see why they call it the house of sillage, because it's there, okay? And longevity, I don't know much because I haven't worn it yet, but I'm guessing it's really good. I hear really good things. So would I recommend this? I don't know yet because I haven't worn it yet. But would I recommend the bottle? Yes, it's so pretty. Oh my god. But if I could go back, I would get the Disney. The Disney just do something to me. It does something for me that this is not doing yet. And we don't know what we're gonna do about it yet. Cause I mean, this was expensive. Even though it was 50% off, it was still expensive, you know? And it's so pretty. It's too pretty just to sit in my closet, or you know, like, so I don't know. Should I give this as a giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers? I don't know. I love you guys, but you know, this is so cute. I don't know. It kind of dried down now. It's been like a good 15 minutes. And like I said, I think it's the white musk that's just not doing it for me. I think the white musk is giving it the powdery. I feel like I expected like a flirty, fun, fruity, floral scent from this, and what I'm getting, I get the floral, the fruity floral scent in the beginning, but then on the dry down, I'm getting like a more mature, powdery scent that's just reminding me of something that I just don't like. So guys, I'm a little disappointed in this because I wanted to love this a lot. I love the bottle, no doubt about it. The bottle is gorgeous. The juice, it's like 60% love, because I do love the opening and it smelled like it lasts a long time. But for the price, I wouldn't pay $360, even though I only pay $180. Even that is still a little, you know, but I wouldn't pay the $360 for this. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My little cupcake, so cute. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. And guys, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.